Hello and welcome to this new episode of Space Weather Videos. We know that the space weather is mostly determined by the activities of the Sun. The Sun is the parent body of our solar system, and the host to all its planets. Today, in this video, we shall learn about the origin of the only star of our solar system family, the Sun. To start with, let us begin with a brief understanding of the beginning of the universe. According to the most popular theory, called the Big Bang Theory, the universe was created with an explosion called the Big Bang. The Big Bang was an explosion of a single point in space that resulted in the creation of our universe and its subsequent expansion. Despite some discrepancies in some situations, the Big Bang Theory has answered most of our questions related to the formation of our universe. Our universe was found to be 13.8 billion years old. But all the celestial bodies we know today did not form right after the Big Bang. The universe started as a point and expanded at a very rapid rate when it was young. It was full of energy and was very hot and dark. And after the initial rapid expansion phase, called the inflation, the universe continued to expand at a slower rate. As it expanded, the universe cooled and the matter was formed. Roughly around 400 million years after the Big Bang, the universe began to come out of its dark ages. This period in the universe's evolution is called the Age of Reionization. It was from this phase, the first stars and galaxies started forming. The mass distribution in the universe is uneven. The star formation region is usually called nebulae. These are formed when light elements, like hydrogen, form lumps in certain regions. These lumps are called molecular clouds. The molecular clouds will become unstable if their mass is too high, and they will collapse, forming a baby star called Protostar. Our star, the Sun, was also created like this about 4.6 billion years ago. It is considered to be an average star in our universe located in one of the spirals of our Milky Way galaxy. A shock wave from a nearby supernova explosion created a spinning cloud of gas, called a nebula. The nebula was created from the uneven distribution of the gases throughout the universe. Then the gravitational pull began to concentrate the gas towards its center. It causes the speed of the rotation to increase, in order to conserve the angular momentum. This resulted in the formation of a disk-like structure called accretion disk. Matter continued to collect into this disk due to the growing gravity, which were pulled towards its center. Eventually, the gas warmed due to the increase in pressure. As the mass further increased, the gravity also increased. As a result, the temperature continued to rise. A sphere of hot gas thus created at the center of the accretion disk, radiating infrared energy. This was called a protostar. This is the early form of the Sun. Finally, when enough gas gathered at the center of the star, the pressure generated enough heat to fuse the hydrogen atoms and thus radiate energy in form of light waves. Thus the Sun was created. The current state of the Sun is called as the main sequence of the Sun. The Sun radius is more than 7 lakh kilometers, that is 700,000 kilometers. This is more than 100 times that of the Earth, and 10 times of the planet Jupiter. This means more than 1 million Earths can be accommodated in the Sun. The temperature at the core of the current Sun is about 15 million Kelvin, while the temperature at the surface of the Sun, called the photosphere, is only about 5,000 Kelvin. It contains about 99.9% of the matter of our solar system. However, it continuously uses its mass to get converted into energy, which are radiated out. It also emits charged plasma particles and energetic particles continuously into the interplanetary space. In the process, it gradually loses its mass. The Sun is in its midlife after 4.6 billions of years of burning, and with its rest of the fuels present within it, it will burn for another similar period. How much mass is lost by the Sun every second to give us the light? What will happen at the end of the Sun's life? How will it end? To know all the answers to these questions, you have to watch our next episode. If you have enjoyed our video, please subscribe our channel, like the video and share it to your friends.